Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the MK4 1.8T. Got a couple mods actually we're gonna do tonight. But I do have some bigger parts ordered, like headlights and all that. But the mods just came in first before the actual parts that we need for the car. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, here comes Yoda boy. There he is. He almost went into a ditch. Yeah, but alright, y'all.
Yo, you know what you told me at my job, bro?
Ford BOV, and we're tinting the rear lights. We're gonna start off with this bad boy. Alright, here's the stock one. And the new one's going in. So I think we installed it wrong. You have to close this gap, this hose up, and then close this as well. So let's see if we can hear it this time. Alright, so there's a dent right here in the door. Gonna hammer it out. Just noticed that. Just gonna hammer it out a little bit.
He's mad clear.
Much better.
Dude, these not bad right here, man.
Hey, what we doing now, Osman?
Take this shit off.
Yes, sir. Alright, we're gonna take this tow hitch off. It's ugly. Weight reduction too. That weight reduction, eh? That's heavy as fuck. Damn, look how low that thing is though. It's not that low, bro. We're gonna adjust it even more, don't worry. We're gonna leave the front of the exhaust on because we need to put on the lift. Bolts are just too rusty. Thanks for watching. Next video, we'll have the headlights in. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Peace.